Okay, it's about 8:15 Saturday morning at the Mid-Atlantic Woodturning Symposium in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. A dreary, rainy day. Let's see what's going on upstairs.
Not take long. Just see, it might be something with my pets. So if you're using that, yes, might go very good. So this was true. So let me see what the pen is. This is
is Oddnut, and my name is Douglas. And what you're about to see is the latest and greatest in vacuum chucking. Let's talk about how it mounts on the lathe really quick, because instead of custom hardware or metal rods, you take this tube that it comes with and put it through the headstock. And then you do a quick connect, screw it on, and now you're good to go. So that little bit is subtle, but other companies force a specific length metal rod, an expensive outside bearing that goes on here custom to that lathe. You can't even change from one to another. This lets you go from the club lathe to the home lathe. But here's the big deal in the booth, this seal. When you turn the vacuum on and make the seal, big deal. We're putting the foam on the outside instead of between the bowl and the cup. And what that does for you is when I pull this bowl off, I'm going to pull the bowl off the cup. You'll see what's different. Because if I do this with any other chuck on earth, if you get so much as a sliver of a gap, it goes, let's go forever. Watch what happens when I pull this off as best I can. See if you can see the gap. Up to 3/4 of an inch, but it'll snap back on. It won't let go.
You can just pull chairs up closer. One of my favorite builders, it's funny, my friend Anne, she was just starting to learn to use it.
Okay, this is prior to lunch. Everybody's getting settled down. This is Sunday afternoon. And yeah, it's been a really good show. And there's going to be some demonstrations at the end here. And then we're going to go home. Hope you like the video.